Good morning, my dear friends. Today's topic is National Commission. We are discussing what is National Commission, the composition, appointment, and jurisdiction of the National Commission, procedure to be followed by the National Commission, power of the National Commission. National Commission or National Consumer Redressal Commission. It is a quasi-judicial commission in India. It has jurisdiction to entertain complaints where the value of the goods and services, including compensation claimed, exceeds rupees 1 crore. It is headed by a retired or sitting judge of a Supreme Court. It is to provide better protection of the interest of the consumers. It is for the settlement of consumer disputes. Consumer can file a complaint directly with the National Commission, or he can appeal against the decisions of the State Commission within the month from the date of the order. Consumer from any part of the country can complain through National Consumer Helpline. Consumer Court is a special purpose court in India. It primarily deals with consumer related disputes, conflicts, and grievances. Appearing before the Consumer Court does not require a lawyer. Consumer Court has the power to penalize the individual or entity for violating consumer rights. Consumer courts can go for imposing fines, ordering for taking back of defective goods, reimbursement of goods and services, and discontinuation of unfair trade practices. The composition, appointment of, and jurisdiction of the National Commission. Composition of the National Commission, how it is formed. National Commission consists of one president and four other members. Out of four members, one member should be woman. President should be judge of the Supreme Court. Members should be persons of ability, integrity, knowledge, experience with problems like economic, law, commerce, accountancy, industry, public affairs, and administration. How they are appointed? Appointment. President is appointed by the central government in consultation with Chief Justice of India. What about the appointment of other members? Appointment of other members is made by the central government on the recommendation of the selection committee. What is selection committee? Selection committee consists of persons like Supreme Court judge or any person nominated by the Chief Justice of India. He will be the chairman of the selection committee. Other members of the selection committee are Secretary in the Department of Legal Affairs in the Government of India, Secretary in the Department of Consumer Affairs of India. Term of the office 5 years or up to the age of 70 years, whichever is earlier. He is not eligible for reappointment. Vacancy. Vacancy of the office of the president or other members occurs how? After expiry of office term or after his death or by resignation or by removal. And how the removal of the member of the president and other members. If he has been insolvent, if he has been convicted of an offence involving moral turpitude, if he is physically or mentally incapable of acting as president or member, if he is acquired such financial or other interest as it is likely to affect prejudicially to the public interest, if he remains absent in 3 consecutive sittings except reasons beyond his control. Jurisdiction of the National Commission. The territorial jurisdiction of the National Commission is whole of India. The Consumer Protection Act is applicable only if the cause of action arose in India. If the cause of action arises out of India, the National Commission has no jurisdiction in the matter. The National Commission shall have three types of jurisdiction. One, original jurisdiction. Second, appellate jurisdiction. Third, revisional jurisdiction. Original jurisdiction, where the value of goods and services or compensation claimed exceeds rupees 1 crore, then consumer can file a complaint to the National Commission directly. Appellate jurisdiction. It can entertain appeals against the order of the State Commission. The appeal may be made within 30 days from the date of the order of the State Commissions. Now, revisional jurisdiction. The National Commission can call for the records and pass appropriate orders when dispute is pending before the State Commission. State Commission has exercised jurisdiction which it was not entitled, because the National Commission can call for the records and pass appropriate orders when the dispute is pending before the State Commission, when under certain circumstances. State Commission has exercised the jurisdiction which he has not entitled. State Commission has failed to exercise the jurisdiction. State Commission has exercised the jurisdiction illegally. In any cases, National Commission can take up the case and decide. Now, procedure for followed by the National Commission while deciding the complaint. Complaint to the National Commission should be sent personally or by registered post. Complaint should contain details like the name, the description and address of the complainant, the name, description and address of the opposite party, the facts of the case, documents supporting the allegations contained in the complaint, the relief which the complaint claims. If the National Commission then will fix a personal hearing, then both the parties or agent should appear before the National Commission. If the complainant does not appear, the National Commission can dismiss the case or decide the case on merits. If the opposite party does not appear, the case will be decided ex parte. The complaint should be decided within 3 months from the date of the notice. If testing of commodities is required or lab test is required, it takes 5 months time is given. The National Commission will issue orders. Orders should be signed by at least 2 members who conduct the proceedings. In case of difference of opinion of the majority shall be the order. Power of the National Commission. The National Commission has the power of summoning and enforcing the attendance of any person from any part of India. The Commission has the power of examining him oath. The Commission can ask for discovery and production of any document. The Commission can receive evidence on affidavit. The Commission can ask for any public record or copy of it. Thank you.